In this blog, we will see the implementation of drop-down menu in our Flutter application. So you might have noticed this kind of menu in Android and iOS applications. So now let us see the implementation in Flutter. So we are initializing with void main here, and we are considering the default class my app, which is extending a stateless widget here. And here we have provided a title here, Flutter dropdown, so that we will be using the title in our app bar here. So we are returning a material app inside which we have placed the title parameter here, and inside the home we have provided scaffold, and to here we have initialized the app bar, and in the body we have provided a center tag inside which we have considered a child my stateful widget here. So this my stateful widget class is extending stateful widget here, and here we are creating a state for it. So here we are declaring a variable drop down value here, a string variable, and here we are returning a drop down button here. So this is the main widget which we are using for making a drop down. So whenever you are trying to add a drop down widget to your application, you need to add this particular widget drop down button, and here the data type is string here. So here we have considered the initial value, and here we have provided an icon. Here this particular icon you might provide according to your application requirement. So here I have provided a downward arrow so that it will show that user a drop down menu will be populated when you tap on this particular icon. So here icon size and elevation also we have provided here. So now let us see this output so that you can get a clarity. Here this is the icon, and this is the icon size is 24 and elevation is 16, and here the style we have provided deep purple color. So these are the small design aspects of the drop down menu, and you can change them according to your application requirement. And here the underline also we have provided so that we don't have any other things on the screen, right? So to make sure our drop down is being highlighted, so we have provided a drop down here. And also in your forms you can also provide a drop down so that you can make it look unique in your form too. And here on change state, so whenever you have considering any other, so when you tap on this drop down menu, you have got a list of options here. These are operating systems of mobile, so when you tap on any other operating system, you will fetch the drop down value here. So here we have provided a list of operating systems to be loaded into our drop down menu, and here this will return the list of values onto the screen now. So this way we will get the value when we select any of the operating system, as we have done now. We will be fetching that particular operating system value to our text value here. So this way we can implement a drop down menu in our Flutter application, and these are mostly used in our forms to make the user inputs easier. And also whenever you want a specific value to be entered by the user, then you may use these kinds of drop down value. Out of the available choices, the user can select any value. So this is it for the tutorial on Flutter drop down, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And if you are having any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.